Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new social media top 10 countdown. I know you miss me, it has been a while, it has been a minute, but I'll tell you all that I have been up to. The countdown is back. What a great news. I've been nominated for a Reggae Sumfest Get Social Award in the category for comedy. Oh my God. Whew, I'm tired. Well, let's get into the countdown.
The dirty, the berry, the juicy, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something me what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, social media stars in J.A. Me breadfruit. So the other day, I do not know what is going on, but everybody and them friend, uncle, sister, niece, and nephew is visiting Jamaica. Often I always say, I'm like, wait, make everybody reach Jamaica. Why go on to Jamaica for there? And then I forget, say, remember, say Jamaica is like one very big tourist destination that people always want to come to. So it is her understandable. So anywho, so LalaMilan, she's a popular personality on Instagram, social media personality. She visited Jamaica the other days. So she took her first trip outside of America to Jamaica to celebrate her friend's birthday. And while there, she decides that she's going to give herself trouble and go running on somebody, man. Is like, me don't know, like she bring the Mackerel vibes, come to Jamaica, Mackerel, why never link her.
You think I like that dude? He looks good as hell. I'm about to go get his number. Watch.
Oh gosh. So alright, so that is it for Lala. And on top of that, we had a big YouTube star. Whole heap of people might not know her, you know, my audience, but if you're kind of under 25 and you're very big on YouTube, you will know Queen Naija. She was in a relationship with, boy, the girl I don't forget, man, I pick that's all I know. But yeah, she visited Jamaica to celebrate a little vacation with she and her husband, her man. And while here, she posted a picture on Twitter that said that she had jerk chicken and festival with, and she put dumpling in her brackets. No people, you see when the Jamaicans them are sadist, you see what them do to Chloe and Ali the other day. Them never give Queen Naija no blight at all. The people them running pan her and done her for filth, talking about, you hear that? You hear that? Oh, you have to come here and call festival dumpling. What's wrong with you? And I was just there like, I kind of stood there. We can't always get cross, angry, and miserable every time a tourist come to Jamaica, love the culture, and might slip up in a one little way. Like, understand, say, this is not the Prime Minister. This is not somebody who related to Bob Marley where you kind of expect them supposed to know every little thing, every little intricacy about the country. I mean, come on, cut her some slack. And plus, the word was in brackets, providing just more context because for all I know, the people in America wonder, what kind of festival? Did you have jerk chicken at a concert? So she put the dumpling in a bracket so people have an understanding of what she actually consumed. But now Jamaican people don't pray that, we just read it because, come on man, what is festival? Festival is pretty much dumpling, you know? Think about it. Like, think about it. All I think she was doing was providing greater context so people could understand exactly what she did talk about. Okay? Because remember, she have an American audience. Well, some of you might disagree with me on the live. Let me know if you agree or disagree. Vote right here. So, do you agree with me or not?
So I guess I know what I gotta do.
Number 9, gas station mischief. Me turtleneck. You know what? I can't bother with. You know, there's a reason why I could do certain job, especially in a customer service. No, mind you, I think I'm very polite. I think I can articulate and I can smile and turn up the charm if needs be. But you see, if I ever bucket up customers like this, me go pop a full Miss Elliot.
Make you lose control.
Yeah man, lose control 100%. This gas station attendant, they there I try to serve the man, and the man that they are confused are about 500, 215. I don't remember how it go. Pre.
650 or 6,500.
No, 6,587.
If I write in 6,500.
Yeah.
If I write 6,500, it is 6,500.
Yeah, I don't know, but I want 6,500.
That's why I asked if you want 6,000, 6,000.
I don't know what I don't know what you call it. I want 6,500.
I can't give.
No, 6,587. What's she got for clarification?
Alright, sir. It's 65. 65 means 6,500 or $650.
Where I come from is 6,500.
No, good gosh, no. Look on all of them something your people. Now tell me if you would get vexed and show something for them. What would you have done, burritos? Comment down below. And now check out the first random video of the week. Pew!
Nobody not calling me. I feel like I'm going to stop missing them. I'm going to stop missing them, man. I'm full time now. I'm feeling good now, go back there, man. Wow.
Number 8, Mama Hula Hoop. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. No, let me tell you this. When I used to go to school, normally during breaks time, they would have the little hula hoop and little contest with the little picnic.
Like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop. Oh.
So, you know, I've got that that motion. You know, that the hokey pokey hokey, it taught me that motion. Oh God, I need to shut up. But long story short, me can't hula hoop. I cannot do it for over like more than 10 seconds. But you know who can? Pre. Some say, alright, the youth are going, I say, mommy, I take a little time here. Oh, mama, try. Oh, where miss I tried. Oh, gosh, man, isn't she adorable? She's so drop out. Me box foot, only focus say she kick in one next gear and the brother turn full. Mama, just shell. That is how you win competition. Style and pattern. Show them how you get a pit in them. I don't know if I 1, 2, 3 or 4, but you see the motion there can make you take away Mackerel, man. That motion can make you get any young boy out in the West Indies. Big up yourself, mama. Big up yourself, Miss Lady. You hard did it, the thing. And big up yourself, Miss Kitty, to you. Should I say a hula hoop? Number 7, the battle of the dumplings. Me can't mean flour. So, the other day I on social media, I mind my business as usual when I book up these series of posts. One from one man and one from one woman. So Chef Andre Sewell posted up on Twitter. Now let me read it for you. It said, I've had my share of making hideous fried dumplings. I just didn't quite make them. And you see, when you look on the picture, people, these are some of the most pristine fried dumpling that you are ever seen pan life. You know, like when you go to primary school and them teach about the planets them on the solar system, how them just like us, Saturn just sexy and curve round and shave up like a curvy divide name. As so film dumpling them look. Film dumpling them look like them up one of the cricket ball them on the West Indies side. Hopefully it don't tough like it. Look how the dumpling them just like strong. You just want going at them. No, this, me don't know what kind of thing him use, but film dumpling them are ton up. Film dumpling them look so round, look so crisp and bold, like Rihanna fired when she did Just Bust. And so then we're gonna move to Abigail, who posted fear boiled dumpling on her page, and no, people, look pan the dumpling. She put with the caption, saltfish and baked beans with dumplings, anyone? No, some of the comments them read, them dumpling are neaty. A compass you use make them perfectly symmetrical dumplings here. My girl, you dumpling them go to school. Now I want to know, burritos, who do you think won the battle of the dumplings? Was it Andre Sewell or was it Abigail? Let me know. Is it fried dumpling to your thing or boiled dumpling? Comment. Let me know below. Vote right here. So was it the chef or was it Abigail? Comment, please. Number 6, young man snuff. No, let me just say, like, I tell you more and more again, when I really like to talk about like the emotional stuff and things of this nature. But more and more is just like when I look at some of the things that are actually happening in my island, happening in Jamaica, it make me really just want to take one like a 5 minute and just bawl. And that's just the plain old truth. So I was on Instagram and I saw this post and it said, 2 weeks ago, I took this photo of Dujan. I asked him to smile and he said, why? There's nothing to smile about around here. He was murdered 2 days ago in Painland, Kingston, Jamaica. Dujan was 12. Look at the pain in his eyes.
Look on the gully side. Do you see anything to smile about?
So imagine, just like that, because of mistaken identity. Yes, people. So the attackers, went to the community, went to the premises, thought that it was someone else, shot at the place, and in the end, 12-year-old Dujan was a casualty. Now, this young man was supposed to go to my alma mater, Excelsior High School, for a football scholarship, because that is where he excelled. That was his gift. And now, because of this senseless act, Dujan will not be able to realize those dreams, his full potential. Now, back to back, we've been seeing cases appearing on the news. We saw what happened in Aftertree. We saw what happened with the Chinese people in Maypen. And we saw what happened just a few days ago in Duane Park where 3 women were killed. And it make you beg the question, like, is this Jamaica? When will it stop? But we've been saying this question, asking the same questions over and over again, and it just seems like no amount of state of emergency will solve the problem. Why? I don't know, yeah. All we can do right now, just like pray and just ask for guidance and just to live our life to the fullest each day. Let me know what you thought about these stories, burritos. Comments down below. Number 5, Ishawna, new look. Me gongo stew peas, sauce. What I want you to do now, people, is to evaluate the following pictures. Look at the following pictures. Ishawna, miss, I just got started for this little look what she did have. But, after a little hiatus, so switch up back the things, should change up a little something, and come sporting a new lens. Oh, wow. So burritos, let me know what you thought about Ishawna's new look. Are you digging the eyes them? The cat eyes, yes or no? I don't know. Maybe she audition for Catwoman too. I don't know. Comment down below, burritos.
Take your time, no dude, and stop.
Number 4, Marvin the Beast and Nickisha returns. Oh my gosh, let the church say welcome, welcome, welcome. Me foot back. So, you know that the other day, but I said from a countdown, say Marvin the Beast and Nickisha, them might take a little break, them kind of chill, she was pregnant for Marvin, and so, she did deal with her little pregnancy and the mothering thing, and Marvin the Beast, boy, him did some drama where him get kicked out of house, or him friend get kicked out of house, but, Marvin used to controversy still. But anywho, so, they resurfaced, now it look like, so everything heal up, everything patch up, and now they took to the streets to, bring back the whole Marvin the Beast, the M&N vibe, sporting a little higher complexion than before. Me no know, like, boy, with the summer heat here and the complexion, they don't know how they're gonna make it out.
One of the hottest skunk in the street.
And in the middle of it, them all buck up upon Mackerel, but we're not even going to jump to she yet.
The party. Every girl who take a seat for the.
Alright, video to you, because every girl in there. She back here, come out, She back here, come out,
So let me know, burritos, are you happy to see Marvin and Nickisha back on the dancehall scene? Comments down below. Number 3, Sparks' mom. When you buck up a person and them just have a certain vibrant personality, and it make you just wonder, where the Boxfoot did they get this from? I think this solved the question. So, media personality, Zip FM, Jack, ZJ Sparks, for her very loud, vivacious, bubbly, energetic sort of persona. And trust me, people, you see, when she go into her foreign and decide to share the video light with her mother, we all became aware of where it came from and who is the originator of all of that sparkiness. Pray.
You don't have no sense.
I say I read about popcorn. Is a Jamaican DJ.
Mommy, you're a clown.
And he has a new music, Party Business.
What? No, sir. Oh, you never.
And he ride into a private jet, go to Turks and Caicos Island with friend Jakes and Oval.
Ross. What you say?
I said I saw this girl here, named Mackerel, but I didn't have a girl named Mackerel down there. It's a new DJ.
Oh, what the mommy knows so much, right? You need a own show.
The lady know things about dancehall, the lady know things about brand Jamaica. She know the lyrics them no. She is like a dancehall vocabulary.
Just a while ago.
She sensei one Jamaica DJ.
Are you see her with who?
She and Tiger and make one song named Blessed.
It's about Spice. Spice, see your biggest fan here? Mr. From you, the pal of Hip Hop Atlanta, this is my mother. The way you say?
Mr. Spice I was watching Love Hip Hop and the Facey Girl when they a cabar view whatever she look for two picnic there and them sit there and they come to Mac about her accent. She knows everybody love Jamaican accent and then something there.
About coffee too?
Yeah, made her read about coffee. She said I think she's got hard than them say, and she must say link up with a cockatoo.
You know something need to give my mother an entertainment program. How she know about all of them something out?
That woman there, she now sit down and obsessed over primetime news and no what you call it, no JIS. This woman in the loop, she depend dancehall shade room, she depend tropics, she depend shade room, Hollywood Unlock, TMZ. That is where this girl I keep abreast of every single piece of information. Big up yourself, Sparks, and big up yourself, Muma Sparks. And now check out another random video of the week.
The party. Every girl who can
Number 2, Obeah Law.
Obeah walk a left judge children. Science again. Science again.
Me what the back foot? So apparently Obeah is going to be legalized. Let me just read what one article on Loop says. Jamaicans who practice Obeah and those who visit the practitioners could soon be able to do so without fear of criminal prosecution. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck on Tuesday promised to repeal more than 100-year-old Obeah Act, which made the practice illegal. Chuck made the promise as the House of Representatives debated and approved increases in fine and penalties for various pieces of legislation as a part of the broader amendment of the law. I don't want it to be misunderstood by anyone anywhere, so I'm asking for clarification because Obeah should never be illegal at any point, anytime, anywhere. Me don't know what I really feel about this. Me need to do some more research on Obeah because as far as I know, my understanding of Obeah is the wrap up and tie and the one bag of alcohol and lime and time when you want to give somebody big foot and you want bad things happen to people and you want to take away people and all of these are things and it particularly come from a certain parish over the eastern side of the highland. That is my understanding as a layman of Obeah. But I'm sure from a more religious standpoint, there is more grounding to why them would have believed say maybe they must give Obeah a pass and make it legalized. So let me know what you very does think. Do you think that Obeah should be legalized? I'm going to put a little poll right here. So comment right here now.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run along, sing along. Well then, pick up my friend.
Recently, I hosted the Ministry of Health and Wellness Caribbean Nutrition Day. No, this was a next level sort of hosting for me. I really appreciated it. So big up the ministry. I was able to interview Dr. Tufton. I was able to talk to the teachers, talk to students who were participating in a competition that saw schools really taking on 5 of the suggested strategies to have a more healthier school. And also I did a Do Road with Dutty with the British High Commissioner, Mr. Asif Ahmad. And trust me, I can't wait to release that video to share with you guys what that day was like. It was quite intense and very fun for me. I also watched the Reggae Girls match. Big up the Reggae Girls. Oh no, fight very hard, but you know how the Brazil thing go. But big up on yourself same way. We're not going to look on that hat trick because we represented same way. Big up the goalkeeper as well. But anyhow, I watched the match at the Brazilian embassy, and yeah, that was quite fun. And yeah, they all meet the ambassador of Brazil to Jamaica as well. Whew! I celebrated my birthday, so because of the people who gave me birthday wishes, I really enjoyed it. And yeah, enough love to all the people who support Duttyberry. And also, I was invited to a meeting with the political ombudsman to really discuss issues about leadership, governance, politics, women in politics, and all sorts of things. And I was very happy to have received a seat at the table to talk about these issues, because you know me, I grew up now, I'm kind of tired of talking about mix up on these things. I like to talk about things. We're going to move the country forward and then look at something there. Oh, well, that is it for the big up segment about Duttyberry. I'm sure I'm going to leave off things, but that's all I'm going to share for now. And number one goes to Mackerel in Love.
What is?
My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca, my series of encyclopedia, alright, that's where it stops. So, the last time I talked about Mackerel, that was before the whole on stage and the eye water and all kind of things. And I must say, you know, what I was saying, but pretty much sure that it was accurate. And I am glad to say, even in some ways, she was able to get released. So anyway, Mackerel, going with the bag of things, she is keeping that 15 minutes longer and longer and longer. And that is the way you do it, girl. So, she got fine, come back down. She have songs, she have a little new look with new photo take over the social media space. And in the midst of that now, my girl have actually founded her man. Wow! Can I get some applause for Mackerel and her love life right now? Think of yourself, Mackerel, because I know a whole heap of people say Mackerel not get nobody and all kind of things, but no, Mackerel is officially booed up. She walk around and say she take gal man and all kind of something, and now she have a man for herself. So maybe her messaging is going to hard change. So this brother now, what I am hearing is that he is a psychic, and him call himself RT Boss.
Hi, this is RT Boss, and I want you to know that I am Mackerel new husband, which is what you call her Queen Mackerel to be exact. Yeah, new husband. I'm going to look out for the tomorrow star to keep up with the Mackerelians, because it's all about fun and excitement, and to be honest, it's not fake. It's real. Keeping up with the Mackerelians. Check it out tomorrow in the star. You know, global boom. Yeah, RT said that. Boss. There's a beauty within inside of Mackerel that I see, that I want Jamaica to see. So I come at the forefront to come and make the world know that you can't judge Mackerel because of her character and how she showed the world. There's a beauty within it that I see and I come to identify and make the world see. Say, look, she's a nice girl. She's just who she is. So accept her, show her love. The beauty is within.
Okay, what heap of questions, but me just I'm happy. Big up yourself, RT Boss, psychic, and apparently you're artist and all of these things. I know you're Mackerel at this point. I think so you're going to be the new Shauna Chin and Gully Bop. So let's just see, because now we have two hot couple, dancehall couple on the street. We have Marvin and Nickisha, and now we're going to have RT Boss and Mackerel. Let's just see who going to take over. And speaking about, all of them were actually hanging out recently. Mackerel, Marvin and Nickisha, and Bounty Killer at a dance recently, and Mackerel even tried to give the killer a little wine. This is how it went down. So, I'm on the brother page, and it says that he is an artist, entertainer, and spiritual advisor. So, I'm not going to say that he's with Mackerel for attention and likes and trying to further his career in music.
Girl, get ready now.
Or in spirituality. I am not going to say that. I actually believe that he loves her. It is a Titanic and Romeo and Juliet sort of love, and it is natural. It is not for social media. It is not like for likes, shares, and comments. It is really pure love that we see displayed on Hill and Gully Ride 90% of the time. Okay, that is what I think it is. Well, let me know, Burritos, what do you think about Mackerel and our new boo? What do you think about the relationship? Let me know, Burritos. Do you think are real some, or you think it's just for the gram? Comment down below. Well, that is it, people. Thank you so much for watching a new social media countdown. I am glad to be back. Please vote for me. As what I'm telling you, the deadline is the 14th at midnight of June. Okay? Also, please be kind to your friends, family, and neighbor. Just show more love. Whole heap of things are going on in Jamaica right about now. And the only way we can fight against it is just to show more love and care for our one another. Okay? Peace out, people. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Get this video. So yes, people, get this video to 4,000 likes. And I'll do a video where you guys can ask me anything and I'll just answer. Okay, so get this video to 4,000 likes and I do a Q&A where you can leave me any question and I'll answer as honestly as I can. Okay, like, share, comment, subscribe. Big up the people who are on the live right now, watching, say, on the over, yes, sir. All right, yes, sir. What else I'm leaving out? For bookings, hosting, advertising on the countdown, please to contact me, DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. That is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, so take care until next time. Yeah, and big up Mannequin Pieces. How can I be forgetting Mannequin Pieces on Constant Spin Road? Just right in the apple tree, right beside, what do I call it? Like a Pings or one of them little store there. Yeah, I'm gonna get this nice little blazer, and yeah, them have the baddest fashion, so go and check it out. Okay, people, peace out until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.